Hey friends, I recently made the most delicious soup I've ever eaten. And lucky for you, I recorded the process of making it. My daughter was taking an online class and I washed some potatoes. I had some salt water ready to put the potatoes in because they brown really quick. So as I washed the potatoes, peeled them, cut them up, and as soon as I cut them up, put them in the salt water so that the potatoes do not start to brown. Esther really enjoys her online class with Miss Hillary. Thank you, Miss Hillary, if you're watching this. She was having, let's see, which class was that? Oh, that was like a math class. No, tea party class. I'm wrong. All right, so I was peeling the potatoes and sticking them in the water. It's important to cook the potatoes first before the other vegetables because they're the ones that take the longest to soften. So for example, if I put different vegetables in first, they would be too soft and the potatoes would still be hard. So the potatoes need to go in first because they take the longest to cook. Obviously, these weren't cooking quite yet, but I put them to cook after cutting them. Since my pot is big enough that it's not close to boiling over, I'm able to start my potatoes on high. And I put some basil in from my garden. I put some cilantro in. Both basil and cilantro can be frozen to preserve it. I put some frozen broccoli, my creamy potato soup mix. My daughter Deborah now started her class with Miss Hillary. Her class was a counting money class. Thank you again, Miss Hillary. We love your online classes. I stirred that up with my wooden spoon. A plastic spoon could melt in hot water, so wooden spoon, very important. I put some canned corn in, and I stirred that up. A tip to keep your pot from boiling over is to put a wooden spoon on top. I put some green beans in. I was thinking, you know what? Let's turn this into like a stone soup type thing, potato soup, put all the vegetables in. And I wasn't planning on putting chicken in, but the more I thought about it, I did that too. All right, but I put carrots as well. I usually put regular carrots, but all I had was baby carrots. So, hey, you use what you got, right? I just chopped up some baby carrots. It's still carrots, It was still really, really good. All right, so I hadn't planned on putting the chicken in. Okay, I left that to boil. There we go. I changed it from high down to medium because I didn't want it to boil over. And here's the grilled chicken. This chicken, I'm spoiled, right? I got this at Aldi. It's already cooked chicken. So if you want to go the longer route and cook your chicken, you'll have to do that maybe separately just to be sure, or put your chicken in earlier so that you just know it cooks all the way because you don't want to have raw chicken in your soup, But this is like pre-cooked chicken. Oh, that rolling boil is so beautiful. All the colors and the smells, so delicious and ready to eat this. So out of my family members, my husband and I loved this soup. My kids, they're little. I feel like their taste buds are still developing. So my oldest, Esther, enjoyed it very much. My other three didn't want to try it, but you know what? More for us. I put some ice cubes in the bowls because I wanted to be able to enjoy this soon. I put the soup in on top of the ice cubes. I put some cheese. I shredded some cheddar cheese, and I put some garlic salt on top. It was so delicious, guys. So delicious. Yum, 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 yum. And the family members that tried it loved it. And you know what? More for us for seconds. We've been enjoying it all week, actually. So this is my family enjoying the food that they will eat. And thanks so much for watching.